heard about the challenges. Actually, there are 3 schools that I was told about that had challenges. There is the Nyangoge school, then there is Bunyaoro, and this one. But as we move around to tackle the challenges, I started with this one because Mwalimu Gisore had called me specifically and told me that they have nothing to use at the moment, and that the cracks that are developed on the others was risky. So I thought then perhaps this being quite an emergency, let's see what we can do about it. So I took it upon myself to come here personally and get the project moved. It has moved. It did not take a long time. It's just taken about a few days, maybe probably a week, 2 weeks. And I hear that the challenges are still there with more toilets and the classrooms. Well, we'll see what we can be able to do about that. Because as we go on, teachers will need a place where they can use. Students need a place where they can go for short calls, long calls, and all that. They need classes, and education must be combined with all these things. You cannot have an institution that does not have toilets, and you cannot have toilets without an institution. Once I get also a few friends aboard, we'll be able to do more. We cannot go back and start standing aside and hoping that people will come. If then people who are responsible, and remember, when you come to an institution whereby there is something to do with education and security, it is the local MP who has to take that. If he is not able, we cannot keep on waiting and saying that he will come and hope. Perhaps he might never come. So what do we do ourselves? Let us take the challenge. Let us proceed forward. That is the only way we can move.
Haya, na makiria ma atumia igana rimwe kuma kaunti-ini ya Kajiado ni mahuthiirwo